Today we're prepping ribs. We prep the ribs the night before so they can soak up all the flavors in our rub. I use the mortar, but you can use any grinder or any tool that you prefer. Okay. I stab holes in between the bones to let all the seasoning in there. In the front of the ribs, I cut in between the bones. In our rub, I use the following ingredients: olive oil, garlic, oregano, paprika, black pepper, and no salt seasoning. I make sure everything, the garlic and all the seasoning goes in between. Then I wrap it up in aluminum foil and put it in the refrigerator overnight until the ribs are ready to cook for about 3.5 hours. Hi, today we're making ribs. Yesterday we prepared the ribs with a rub. As you can see this, so it's been marinating since yesterday. We put olive oil, some organic no salt seasoning, paprika, pepper, oregano, and garlic. As you saw earlier, smashed it up, everything up, and just rubbed it on there. I made some cuts so that the seasonings can really get in there. So now we're gonna put it in the oven. We're gonna put it in the oven for 350 degrees for about 3 hours or so. Okay, so we turned off the oven. It's been a few minutes, so we're gonna check on our ribs. So see, falling off the bone. They were in the oven about 3 hours. The last 30 minutes or so, I uncovered it, and I took the aluminum foil from the top and I just left it open. Look at that. So we used 2 different toppings on the ribs. This one has the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, and the other side has this pineapple mango jalapeno marinade salsa. So this is the mango pineapple jalapeno. And we're gonna add some of our coleslaw. And there's the ribs.